Fear is a natural emotion that can be helpful in keeping us safe from danger, but it can also hold us back from personal growth and success. In this video, we'll explore the 7 common types of fear that can hold us back and provide examples of how they can impact our lives. Fear of failure. The fear of failure is one of the most common types of fear that can hold us back from personal growth. We may be afraid of taking risks and trying new things because we don't want to fail. For example, you may be afraid of starting your own business because you're worried it won't be successful. Suppose you have a dream of starting your own business. You have a great idea and the skills to make it happen, but you're afraid of failing. You worry that you won't be able to make enough money to support yourself or that you'll make mistakes that could ruin your business. Because of this fear of failure, you may hesitate to take action and start your business. You might find excuses for why you can't start yet or tell yourself that you need to do more research or get more experience first. As a result, you miss out on the opportunity to pursue your dream and grow as an entrepreneur. You may continue to work in a job that doesn't fulfill you or that you're not passionate about, simply because it feels safe and secure. By recognizing and addressing your fear of failure, you can take steps to overcome it and pursue your dreams. For example, you could start by breaking down your goal of starting a business into smaller, more manageable steps. You could also seek support from a mentor or coach who can help you navigate the challenges and uncertainties of entrepreneurship. Remember, fear of failure is a common fear, but it doesn't have to hold you back from personal growth and success. With the right mindset and strategies, you can overcome your fear and achieve your goals. Fear of rejection. The fear of rejection can hold us back from personal growth because we may avoid social situations and limit our interactions with others. For example, you may be afraid to ask someone on a date because you're worried they will reject you. Fear of success. Believe it or not, fear of success is a real fear that can hold us back from personal growth. We may be afraid of the changes that come with success or of not being able to handle the increased responsibility. For example, you may be afraid of getting a promotion at work because you're worried it will be too stressful. Fear of uncertainty. The fear of uncertainty can hold us back from personal growth because we may be afraid of taking risks and trying new things. For example, you may be afraid to travel to a new country because you don't know what to expect. Suppose you're considering making a big life change, such as moving to a new city or starting a family. However, you're afraid of the uncertainty that comes with these changes. You worry about not knowing what the future holds, or whether you'll be able to handle the challenges that may arise. Because of this fear of uncertainty, you may hesitate to make a decision or take action. You might find yourself constantly analyzing the pros and cons, or seeking reassurance from others that you're making the right choice. As a result, you may miss out on the opportunity to pursue your goals and dreams. You may continue to feel stuck or unfulfilled, simply because you're afraid of taking a risk. By recognizing and addressing your fear of uncertainty, you can take steps to overcome it and pursue the life you want. For example, you could start by reframing your mindset around uncertainty. Rather than seeing it as a threat, try to view it as an opportunity for growth and learning. You could also seek support from a therapist or coach who can help you develop coping strategies and build resilience in the face of uncertainty. Fear of judgment. The fear of judgment can hold us back from personal growth because we may avoid speaking up, trying new things, and being ourselves. For example, you may be afraid to share your creative work because you're worried that others will criticize it. Fear of change. The fear of change can hold us back from personal growth because we may be afraid of leaving our comfort zone. For example, you may be afraid to switch careers because you're worried it will be too difficult to adapt. Suppose you've been working in the same job for several years, and you're feeling unfulfilled and bored. You know deep down that you want to pursue a different career path, but you're afraid of change. You worry that you won't be able to find a job that pays as well or that you'll have to start over at the bottom of the ladder. Because of this fear of change, you may stay in your current job, even though it's not bringing you any joy or fulfillment. You might tell yourself that you're lucky to have a steady job and that it's not worth the risk to pursue something new. As a result, you miss out on the opportunity to pursue your passions and grow in your career. You may continue to feel unfulfilled and unhappy, simply because you're afraid of the unknown. By recognizing and addressing your fear of change, you can take steps to overcome it and pursue a more fulfilling career path. For example, you could start by researching different careers that interest you and exploring the skills and experience you would need to pursue them. You could also seek support from a career counselor or mentor who can help you navigate the uncertainties and challenges of making a career change. Remember, fear of change is a common fear, but it doesn't have to hold you back from personal growth and success. With the right mindset and strategies, you can overcome your fear and pursue the life and career you truly want. Fear of not being good enough. The fear of not being good enough can hold us back from personal growth because we may feel like we're not worthy of success. For example, you may be afraid to apply for your dream job because you don't think you have the necessary skills or experience. In conclusion, fear can be a powerful obstacle to personal growth and success. By recognizing and addressing the 7 common types of fear, we can take steps to overcome them and achieve our goals. Remember, it's okay to feel afraid, but it's important not to let fear hold us back from personal growth and success.